Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to change font in the Canva. It's really easy, like always. If you have questions, you can ask in the comments, and in the end I'm gonna show you some neat tricks. So let's begin. So first of all, if you want to change some letters, you just press on the text you want to change it, and in the top, as you can see, we have font. We press it and we can select from a lot of variety of fonts. As you can see, you can have Alice, Garrett, Roboto, everything. As already you press it, see, it's already changed, so you don't have to scroll it and change manually. So you can do it like this, or you can do it like easier way. You press it here and you type it. Let's say handwriting. Let's see what we have of handwriting. So we have like this fonts, and some of them are like you see here, crown. It means it's premium, pro version, but if you press it here with no crown, it's free for you to use. So another thing what you can do, you can press textile. You have your brand kit. You press add your brand fonts and kits, and here you have fonts. You press add new font and you upload it, and you choose your file, you have it, press upload it, and you can select it now in your brand kit. So thank you for watching and see you next time, guys.